I have applied over the 280 application over the Internshala, and the first internship, the first application I remember I put on the 31st January 2023. It almost around the 2 years, and from that day, the day I applied on the Internshala, there are too many scams happened with me. And these are the scams I'm telling you that is not only happened with me. These are the scams happened with my classmate, with my friends, and a lot of the students. So the motive of making this video is to aware all of you in the 2025 from these scams, and be make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button so this video will reach to the all the freshers, all the students who are looking for the internship. Now come to the first kind of scam that happens on the Internshala, that is related to the assignment. आप जब भी क्या इंटर्नशिप पे अप्लाई करते हो तो आपको एक असाइनमेंट मिलता है करने के लिए. आप उस असाइनमेंट को करने के बाद अंडर द टाइम व्हेन यू सबमिट ओवर द पोर्टल you don't get the response from the company side. This happens a lot with me when I completed a lot of the assignment, and one of the assignment I remember that I completed under the time, under the 24 hours, and I submitted over the portal, and all of the tasks I did that up to the mark. Even after that I didn't got the response from the company side. This is the responsibility of the company. If somebody is doing the assignment, they at least provide some feedback to them, yes or no. But I haven't got any type of the response from the company side even after doing a lot of the assignments. And I got understood when I shared these all of the things with my friends and the classmate. They told me the same thing happened with them as well. Then I understood this kind of the scams is running in the market on the Internshala, that they provide the assignment but they don't give the response over it. So make sure that जब भी आपको assignment मिले आप assignment ना करो. Rather than that आप क्या उन internship को prefer कर सकते हैं जिसमें process हो virtual interview की और physical interview की. Now come to the second type of the scam that is related to the fake description. I've seen a lot of the companies which has a different job title, different description and different requirement skills. ये तीनों ही चीज़ें मैच नहीं करती हैं. There may be the reason, there may be the two reason behind it. First is the recruiter's lack of knowledge and second is the scammer behind it. जब recruiter को knowledge नहीं होती कि title के साथ कौन सी required skills डाली जाती हैं तब ये सारा काम होता है. And second reason is scammer. Scammer को जब पता ना हो कि job title के साथ कौन सी required skills आती हैं. In both of the case there is a loss of you. In the first case you will lost a lot of time. After getting selected in the internship, the recruiters tell you कि ये काम आपको करना है पाइथन से related, राइट. पर आपने जो इंटर्नशिप पर टाइटल देखा था एंड्रॉइड डेवलपर से रिलेटेड, आपने उसमें अप्लाई करा था. तो ये इसमें क्या है, आपकी होल प्रोसेस में आपको पता चलता है कि आपका टाइम वेस्ट हुआ है और कुछ नहीं. नाउ सेकंड थिंग इज दिस, द स्कैमर को अगर डिटेल्स पता चल गई आपकी पर्सनल डिटेल्स, देन आपको वो स्कैम करेगा इन द फ्यूचर. तो मेक श्योर दैट जब भी आप ऐसी इंटर्नशिप में अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो देन यू आर रीडिंग केयरफुली द टाइटल, डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड द रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स. इफ यू सी मैच इन ऑल ऑफ द 3 points, then you should apply. Otherwise you consider that internship as a scam. Now come to the third kind of a scam that is related to the repetition of the same internship again and again. I have observing from the last 2 years that the companies are putting the fake internship. I don't know why they're putting the fake internship, what kind of the internship I'm talking about. They have the same title, they have the same job description, they have the same stipend, and keep repeating that internship again and again after 10 or 15 days, after the 1 month. I'm observing one of the company from the last 2 years. That company is putting the same internship after the 10 days of 20 days. When I observed that company, that I applied on the last month and again I see that same company, then I understood this is the scam, because thousands of the students are applying over that and they are even not hiring a single student. Their vacancies are not getting low. Now come to the fourth type of the scam that is related to the high stipend. A lot of the company shows on their internship high stipend to get a more and more skilled person. अब इसमें होता क्या है, when you get selected, once you get selected, the recruiters tell you that we don't have the budget to pay you this much, we have the budget of the 10,000 to pay you. But in the internship they mentioned that they will pay you 30,000 per month in stipend. So in these type of scam, what you have to do, it is clearly mentioned on the Internshala that if you get paid less than the stipend so on the internship, then you can complain over their portal. You have to complain about the company, so they will take the action against the company. So I hope you get understood all kind of the scams running in the market related to the internship. So be aware of these all of the things in the 2025, and make sure that you hit a like and subscribe button so this video can reach up to the as many students as possible. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the next video.